Hi, I'm Shannon Ryan. I'm in 11th grade and I would really like to be a Link Crew leader again next year. I really enjoyed being a Link Crew leader this year and I enjoyed talking to the freshmen especially. I had a great partner this year. I had Lizzie and I just would really like to be a great senior partner like I had this year. And I really liked coming to freshman movie night even though I had just gotten my wisdom teeth out and Miss Prescott, you actually told me to leave. So that was fun. And I don't know how I could go another year without hearing all of Miss Prescott's stories or crying at Miss Prescott's stories, if you want to think about it that way. And I just really like that we get to connect with the freshmen in Link Crew and help them and show them that this transition isn't really that scary. And as I was making this video, I found out that I could juggle 2 apples because I couldn't think of anything else to do with my apple. Actually, I can't juggle 2 apples, but I did figure out that you can write Link Crew on them backwards, and then you can see it.